How to watch HBO Max on USA. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can watch HBO Max on USA. Now, HBO Max is very easily available in USA. For this, you can open up any web browser and head over to hbo.max.com, or you can also open the HBO Max app. Once you're here and you don't have an account, you can simply click on the sign up option, then select your plan, whether it is monthly or yearly, complete all the steps, and then your new account will be created. After that, you can click on the sign in option. Once you click on this option, it will take you to another page. Here you will have to enter your email address. Once you have entered your email address, enter your password. Then you want to click on the sign in option. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot password option. Then enter your email address here and click on the submit option. Now a password reset link will be sent on your email address. With that link, you can easily reset your password. Once you have been signed into your account, you can simply open your favorite movies and TV series. And this is how you can watch HBO Max on USA. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.